What's going on, YouTube Nation? The stock market has gone through a lot of ups and downs, right and lefts, diagonal. People are freaking out. Schools are closing. NCAA fans can't be at games. The Arnold Classic was closed. What the hell is going on here? So there are three stocks that I'm going to mention that I bought. All of them are related to the market, and these are ones that you might want to check out. So if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So the airlines are having an issue, the cruises are having the issue, anything entertainment's having an issue. Well, I own EPR Properties. This is a real estate investment trust that gives off a monthly dividend, gives off right around a 5 to 6% dividend total at the end of the year, and it gives off a monthly dividend. So they took a huge hit because people are not going to these properties. EPR Properties owns entertainment properties, ski resorts. Their portfolio is so diverse. If you check out their website, they are hit hard today in these past few days. So that's one thing you might want to consider. The next one you might want to consider is Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines has beaten the S&P since inception. So that's one thing you might want to look into. I invested in Delta Airlines. They took a huge hit. I looked at them against Southwest Airlines as a dividend stock, and I feel more confident in Delta Airlines. American Airlines, no, I wouldn't look at those guys right now. But EPR Properties is a really hot stock for you to look at because that will improve. It gave off a strong dividend, has a pretty strong portfolio. And the other one is RCL, which is the Royal Caribbean liners. Basically, they are hit really hard because nobody's going on cruise ships and people are pretty much banned from going on cruise ships and leaving the country. So I'm going to look at EPR right now and all these stocks right now. See, my brother just sent me a text that his work thing was canceled because of the coronavirus. EPR Properties. Right now, it's $44.23. It on Google.com, it says the dividend yield is 10.38%. That's probably because of the hit, but the highest it was $77 on May 2019, $78, and it dropped $30. So today it was down by 10.07%. That's going to be a rate that will help you with passive income in the long run. My goal is to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on passive income. So I'm putting more money in these guys, and I just did recently. Next one is RCL, as I was discussing before. They are right now $44.37. Damn, they were down 14.24%. Right now it says on Google.com, the Royal Caribbean Cruises, they give off a 7.03% dividend yield. I'm just looking at them. These guys were hit the worst. January 10th, 2020, okay, $133.19. These guys give off a quarterly dividend. So this is going to fix itself over time. I honestly, I'm not in charge of infectious disease or anything, but I'm not too worried about this. I'm a registered nurse. I'm not a medical director or the chief medical director or anything, but there's a swine flu that's out there. The influenza bugs whacking people out. Royal Caribbean Cruises will be back. I see them coming back very strong. So make sure that you look into those guys. Next is Delta Airlines. We'll see how Delta is doing. Delta's $42.67. These guys were hit very hard. It gives off 3.77% dividend yield. These guys are looking pretty. They were at $59.08 on the December 27th, and now they're down to $42.67. Not too bad, but really the cruises and EPR Properties were hit really hard. I saw someone mention in a Facebook group about a strip club that gives off a quarterly dividend. They were hit very hard as well. But those are the three stocks that I'm going to buy. My honest advice to you guys is stay patient. Now's the time to buy and really build up your portfolio. I myself, I worked 20 total hours of overtime so I could throw some money in stocks and prepare for graduate school. But I also, because I picked up shifts, got more shares in my 401k. So that's one thing that you might want to look into is picking up some shifts, throwing them in your dividend portfolio because your money will make money. So that's really my honest advice on that. If you guys have any questions, make sure that you make a comment in this video. Did you guys buy Delta Airlines? Did you buy EPR Properties? Did you consider buying RCL? I think that is the hottest. RCL has to be the hottest stock right now because it gives off a great dividend and they're hit so hard and they're going to come back. I just don't see these guys going down the tubes. Once this Corona crap is done, I see these guys being very strong. That has to be the stock of the month that you guys need to look into. If you're a dividend investor, throw it in your Roth IRA or your IRA. This is something that you really want to look at. So I'm going to be honest with you. You just have to bite the bullet sometimes and hold on to those stocks. Do not panic sell. That's my honest opinion, because when you panic sell, that causes a ton of problems. And that's something you don't want to do or look into or kill your bank account. I looked at my M1 Finance account today. I asked a few questions with them over the phone. I'm like, okay, so what happens if I rebalance? I just want to double check this because I have Unilever stock and that would have been bad. I would have sold a lot of shares and lost a lot of money just to get one stock or a few stocks in this portfolio. So that's my honest opinion. Look at those three stocks, make the call, tell me what you think, and you guys have a good one. And stay patient, be smart, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will post I just recently posted a video on my stock analysis on eBay. That's another stock that I bought recently this month. eBay is a hot stock. The board of directors started to give off dividends and made a decision to give off dividends starting in 2019. So that's another stock that I see that has potential growth. Again, I'm not a financial investor. I'm just somebody that enjoys investing, and I made this channel to give you guys tips or hints about hot stocks or things to help you out, even frugal living tips. So that's what I'm about in this channel. So thank you again for watching this, and you guys have a good one, and hopefully our stocks rebound. And again, I don't want a recession to happen. There's a lot of people and baby boomers who are about to retire, or their 401ks or their Roth IRAs are going to take a huge hit. And I don't want to see that. I hate seeing people laid off. I mean, I think the economy's strong. I think as a country in the United States, I think we will rebound. I think the world will wake up and rebound. But again, as a nurse, biggest thing that you can do is wash your hands. So you guys have a good one, and I hope nobody gets sick. I hope nobody gets laid off. I hope your business trips aren't canceled. This is a work hard, play hard. You guys are strong dividend warriors, and I appreciate you guys for watching this channel. I'm here to inform you about hot stocks out there that are on the market, as well as some stocks that you don't even know about. So thank you.